I am Sandhya, AGM BRT. It's a great privilege to be addressing such a vibrant builder fraternity as my DGM and Kalpana were saying. They have changed the landscape of my hometown, the Hyderabad city. It is because of you all that Hyderabad is one of the fastest growing real estate market in the country, and we are proud to be a part of this journey. Sir, we believe that tie-up with SBI is a perfect vehicle to further propel this growth. Why SBI? We are the largest home loan provider, as again our DGM sir was saying. Our RE portfolio has crossed 5 trillion mark. Hyderabad's contribution has been immense in this. A big thank you to you all for this. We are the most preferred bank for home loans amongst the home buyers, as is evidenced by the huge number of customers we have, around 43,53,000. We have a vast network of branches across all geographies in the country, and our SBI approved projects could be accessed from remotest part of the country, and loans can be availed sitting in their own remote village or any of the cities. We have a single point of contact for builders through dedicated relationship managers posted across all the major cities. We have 9 centralized processing centers in Hyderabad to quickly process the home loans, and all are headed by very efficient assistant general managers. We have a robust home loan sales force comprising of our in-house home loan sales team, around 51. We have outsourced agencies, home loan counselors, around 583, and our SBI CAPS SSL executives around 174. And all of them, along with the very enthusiastic branch managers and field officers, are catering to the increasing demands of our prospective customers, borrowers, and giving doorstep service. We have 4 specialized builder relations teams in the city of Hyderabad. Till last year it was only 1, but it is one of the initiatives of my DGM, Ravindra Hindnali sir, that he increased the number to 4 so that more of the builder types can be done, and with an improved TAT. There is no requirement of title investigation report or valuation wherever the home loans are under builder tie-up, saving on the time and cost. The TAT stipulated by the bank actually is 5 days, sir, but our CPCs are sanctioning in 1 day and maximum 2 days. The files are actually branded with the stamp Tatkal. That is the priority attached to the file, and the sanctions are informed on the same day through a WhatsApp group between the builder, the home loan sourcing entity, and the CPC head. This group has also been used for informal conversations regarding resolving of the issues. We have a strategic alliance with us, opens up opportunities for joint marketing activities. We are supporting marketing efforts of our builders by participating in property shows. Recently, we had participated in CREDAI, then TV9 property show, and again we are going for TREDA property show. And we have a very large clientele base which could be leveraged upon for selling the projects. Actually, we are an indirect way of advertisement, sir. People come to us for investment options, and that's when we suggest them the approved projects of SBI, of course, because of the hassle-free nature. And we have observed that most of our HNIs and NRI customers are increasingly preferring to buy properties from SBI approved loan projects. We showcase all SBI approved projects in dedicated online platform, SBI Realty, and our YONO app both these enable our customers to apply for home loans online. We facilitate the builders to enroll as marketing associates for sourcing home loans, wherein remuneration is paid. I hope you'll agree if I say that collaboration with SBI enhances the brand value of the builder. And of course, it's a win-win situation, sir. And with all your support, Hyderabad Circle has onboarded 938 projects under builder tie-up. The process of builder tie-up actually is very simple, though you may not agree. We just require a request letter from the builder agreeing to enter into tripartite agreement, a certificate by the chartered accountant about 15% stake in the project, and link documents tracing 30-year title. Rest is taken care by the bank. So to improve the TAT of project tie-up, we'll ensure from now on, we have been doing that also, we'll ensure legal opinion from advocate in maximum 15 days and panel valuer in maximum 5 days. If the builder could arrange for shortfall documents sought by the advocate early, this TAT of 15 days for advocates is very much practical. We also suggest, that has been suggested by our MD sir, to seek the documents from the builders for legal scrutiny even before the RERA approval, so that the project could be approved simultaneously with on the date of RERA approval. I would like to conclude this presentation with an appeal to all the builders for more cooperation in sourcing home loans for the project under tie-up, sir. Thank you.